hello, my friends. We are back. I'm gonna do this for you guys, and then I'm gonna get off. We'll be back tomorrow morning to continue on to Act 2 of this amazing game. I'm having a great time so far. Really enjoying it. Hope you guys are enjoying this as well. This has been a really, really good game to live stream and have fun with, and I hope you guys continue to come back and watch this, whether it's on a replay or the live. So, if you are playing on Game Pass on PC like I am, and you have a PlayStation controller, boom, okay, and you want to play with your controller, you don't want to use the inputs for the Xbox, this is what you do. You're gonna need DS4. Okay, DS4 is a software that I use currently. DS4 Windows. I'll have a link in the description so you can download it. It's really pretty straightforward, pretty self-explanatory. This is the easy part. You download this, and then you turn it on. You connect your controller, your PlayStation controller, to your system, and you can stop and start as you will, as you please, and boom. This is for like a third party. For Steam, you don't quite need this. It's just for Xbox Game Pass, okay? All right, got that part. Cool. So I'll stop this. The next thing you're going to want to do, okay, is you want to come to this website. This is Nexus. You're going to have to make an account. It's really easy to make an account here on Nexus Mod. And you want to come here. It's Forest PS5 controller icons, okay? And you want to go to, tells you kind of what to do in the, how to install it, and the description over here. Really straightforward. So we go to Files. You want to manually download. I've already done that. Again, I'll leave all this stuff in the description for you guys. Next thing you're going to do, okay, is you're going to open up your Game Pass app. Okay? You want to open up. Hit Files and hit Browse, okay? You want to get to your content. You want to go to Sandfall. You want to go to Content. And you want to go to Packs, okay? You want to create a file, okay? I created this file and I just called it mods, okay? And then what you're gonna do is after you download that file, okay? After you download that file, which is pretty straightforward, okay? You're gonna come here, have it separately. What I did was the downloads right here. It's the Force PS5. You want to extract all, and then it's going to ask you where to go again. So, I mean, what you can just do is extract it to your desktop, which is right here, and then you can move it over, right? So I already had to extract it on my desktop, and I'm just going to copy it into this mods. It's already in a folder, so I'm going to put this folder in the packs. It's going to ask me to replace it. Let's go replace it just so you guys can see it. Pretty straightforward. And that's it. That's what got it to work. Now, I mean, I'll just show you again just to confirm. But now, when we go open up the game, and now I have to put DS4 on. I turned it off. I need to turn that back on. Boom, and then I have to start DS4 and make sure that it's on, and then we minimize it. Don't close it out, we minimize it. Okay. You do that. It's pretty, again. And then you'll have this, and boom. As you can see, I have PlayStation inputs. I have my X, square, circle, R1, L1 at the top. And as you guys watch this entire live stream, that's where we're at. So that's how that works. Okay, guys? Pretty straightforward. Anybody can do this. I'll leave the links in the description for the DS4 app and the Nexus mod. All right. And it's really super simple. Hope this helps because I don't really see this anywhere else on the internet. If you like this video, if you like this tip and trick, let me know. What's your favorite part about Expedition 33? Clair Obscur. Still very confusing story-wise, but I'm starting to get it. Gameplay, though, I'm enjoying this game. I'm loving it. I hope you guys are enjoying it, too. We'll be back tomorrow with another live stream at 10 a.m. Pacific. And with that said, guys, I'll see you on the next live stream. And remember, love, live, laugh, enjoy today, because tomorrow's a promise. Until next time, my friends. Peace.